This video is brought to you by Wondershare Repair It software. What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'll show you how to repair corrupted or damaged photos, videos, as well as document files such as PDF files, Word files, Excel, and many other document files. I'll show you a straight to the point and easy way to fix this problem by means of a very user-friendly software. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing to the channel. Before we jump straight into the tutorial, I'd like to take a minute to thank Wondershare for sponsoring today's video and for supporting the channel. Thank you for helping this channel, and also thank you for providing us amazing tools that really do help us fixing issues that we've got every single day. Wondershare is a very powerful brand with a lot of tools or softwares that do help us solving a lot of issues that we've got every single day. I've teamed up with Wondershare in order to show you the best tools that they've got. And in today's video, I'll be talking about Wondershare Repair It software, which helps you repairing different file formats. Now, please note that in some situations or some cases, you won't be able to recover or repair your entire corrupted file, because this depends on the state of the file and how that file actually got corrupted. In some cases, your file might be very damaged that you'll only be able to recover up to 75 or 80% of your lost file. But still, give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if this software really helped you fixing the problem. Let's now give a look here at the software in order to see how the software looks like. Let's jump into it. Now, moving into my computer, this is how my computer screen looks like. And hey, I'm running a Windows system in here. So if you have a Mac OS X system on your computer, do not worry if you have a MacBook. This software works for MacBook users as well as Windows users. Now, the very first thing we need to do in here is hop into this website, which is repairit.wondershare.com. Do not worry, because I've left the link to this website in the description box below. So all you need to do is just tap in the link in the description box below in order to reach out to this website right here. So the next thing we need to do in here is basically download the software. And in order to download in here, we have two options. It's right here where we've got try it free. We have the Windows logo in here, and we have the Mac OS logo in here. So if you have a MacBook, you're gonna tap here on the right side, and if you have a Windows PC, you're gonna tap here on the left button. So since I have a Windows computer right now, I'm gonna tap here on the Windows logo. So a new tab is gonna open real quick, and the download is gonna start immediately. So here we go. I already have my file downloaded in here because I have a fast internet at the moment. So if you have a pretty slow internet connection, this might take a while to get the download finished. So once the download is finished, the next thing you need to do is tap once on the installation file in order to launch the installation file, and then tap here on install. Okay, so I already have the software installed on my device, that's why I got this message, but I'll tap on OK. That's not a problem. And then you just need to wait for a couple minutes. This is a process that is going to take you a few minutes depending on your computer performance. So you just need to wait, and it's going to install the software into your computer. Okay, so here we go. We've got 71% finished. It will take a while. So once the software installation is complete, you'll be able to see this message right here which says start now. So all you need to do is just tap on start now, and the software is going to launch immediately. Okay, so just wait for a couple seconds and the software is going to launch real quick. And here we go, the software is now launching. So this is how the software looks like. I really appreciate how simplified Wondershare has made this software to interact with. So in here, basically, you can repair video files, you can repair photo files as well, and you can also repair documents as well. If you have PDF documents, Word documents, PowerPoint files, or Excel files, you can also repair them here by using this software. So this is a very powerful tool that you can use it in many different situations. So it's not just to repair videos or photo files. However, the main focus of this software is to fix video and photo files. So you'll be getting the best output and results by repairing video files and photo repairs. So in order to repair a video file, all you need to do is tap here on video repair and then tap here on add in order to add the video file which is corrupted. Okay, let's say that I'm going to select, for example, this video right here. I'm going to tap on open. It's going to load the file into the software, and once it has loaded, all I need to do is just select and then tap here on repair. Okay, so this is a process that takes a few minutes depending on the size of your file. And once the video is repaired successfully, all you need to do is tap on OK and tap here on preview in order to see how your file looks like. So over here we've got this feature, which is the preview feature, which is really cool. It allows you to double check if everything is fine with the video file that you've just repaired at the moment, to see if your repair was a success or not. Now, in some situations you might not be satisfied with the video quality, and if you're not satisfied, you need to try the advanced repair by simply tapping here on advanced repair, and the same process is going to start once again. So what happens is Wondershare Repair is going to use an advanced technology in order to repair your video file. But in order for this to happen, you need to have a portion of the video file which works perfectly fine. So you need to tap in here in order to select a sample of that video, like a short trimmed clip of that video that works perfectly fine, just to give an idea to Wondershare how the file actually looks like, so that you can actually make Wondershare's repair job much easier. Okay, and then you need to tap on next in order to continue with the advanced process right here. Now, once you're done doing that, once you're happy with the recovered or repaired file, you're gonna tap here on save in order to save that particular file, and then you just need to select where you want to save that file, whether it's in your computer. Here you can actually select the path where you want to share or save that file at. Now, the second feature of this software is the photo repair feature right here. All you need to do is pretty simple. Basically the same process, tap on add and then select the picture which doesn't work fine, and then you're gonna tap here on repair in order to repair that particular photo right there, and then you can preview the file, and then you're gonna also save that particular file after being satisfied with the recover process. Please note that some files in here might have multiple repair results, so you might be in a situation where you've got 3 to 4 files in here as suggestions for that repaired file. So you need to give a look on the picture which looks more accurate to the original picture file, and then you're gonna select that one, you're gonna save that particular picture. So basically the last feature of the software is the file repair, which allows you to repair any document file. Okay, all you need to do is pretty simple, same process, tap on OK, select the document and then tap on open. Okay, so here we go, we've got the document right here, and then the next thing you need to do is tap here on repair in order to repair that file right there. Once that's done, you're gonna tap on OK, and then you can preview your document to see if it's working well or not. Okay, and once you're happy with the preview of the file, you'll obviously tap here on save in order to save that particular file. Now please note that this is something that doesn't always give you a perfect solution or result, because it depends on how bad your file is, but the good thing is that you can actually preview the files before you save or buy the software, because this is a paid software provided by Wondershare, which is called Repair It. Okay, so over here on their website we've got the pricing for this particular software, and we've got different packages right here of a license. So we've got the 1 month license, which is $70. We've got the 1 year license, which is $79, basically $80, and we've got the perpetual license, which is $100. So you basically also have a specific sub-product depending on what you want to perform. If you just want to repair a few files, you can also go for a much specific license in here. For example, you've got 1 year license for only video repair category, you can go with this 1 year license. If you just want to repair pictures, you can go with this one right here of $30. And if you just want to repair files, you can go with this one, which is the file repair on the right side as well. I want to take some time to thank Wondershare for supporting the channel and for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and for being a sponsor here on the channel. Wondershare is one of the oldest sponsors here on this channel, and I really like their products because they offer transparency. For example, in here on this software, we have the ability to preview the files before we pay for the software or before we save the file. So this is really nice because you have the chance to see if it worked for you before paying for the software. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video really helped you, do like the video, leave a comment down below, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get more tech updates every week here on Fixed by Shaq channel. My name is Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.